If you think outside of the box, then TKS is for you.
TKS is revolutionary.
You won't be able to understand how amazing it is.
Life-changing.
What does success look like to you?
I'm working on something that I'm 100% passionate about.
This is an amazing innovation opportunity.
Because as we were doing it, we were discovering how big of a problem it is.
Success has a much higher probability if everyone is aligned on commitment level.
But after joining, I got this really big paradigm shift about what success meant to me as well.
That was the initial mission. How do we get more smart people exposed to global problems and increase their probability to be able to solve these problems?
People who think just like me, people who want to grow.
For me, TKS has been purely about making those ideas reality.